Okay, hi, I'm here taking a bath in the rain, taking a shower in the rain, and I'm doing some cleaning on this penjing. And when you're when you have quitted your day job, then you can do anything. So like showering in the rain and working on your favorite trees. And okay, this is a penjing I call twin mountain because it has two big rocks here. And anyway, I'll focus the camera when I'm finished with this, or when I go to the camera. Okay, so this one is a small primnus which I have planted on rock, which I have also tied with wires. So this one, actually, you may wonder it's growing in rock, but of course at first you have to tie it with wires. Okay, then you have to once in a while clean this, but this is the first time that I have cleaned this since this is 3 years old. This has been planted in this rock since 3 years, for 3 years now, and it is quite established. And there are visitors who are coming. So my original family, my mother, my brother is coming home. So I'm preparing this because they're also excited to see this, and I'm preparing this. And also I have a visitor from California. She said she's from California, and she's from somewhere farther than Cagayan. And when she arrived, she would like to come here first to see my bonsai. She saw me in the internet, and she was curious where I live, and I told her I live in Iligan City, and she said she'd like to visit because they are members. She and her husband is a member of a bonsai club in California, and they would like to visit, maybe take some pictures, some discussion, a little chit chat, then they'll go back to the hometown of that lady. So, well, that's are the things that would force me or encourage me to clean my plants. Okay. For now, they are very dirty. They have a lot of fungus. And so that's what we do. We clean once in a while. So that's it. Okay. So maybe I'll go somewhere else and enjoy the rain. Okay, I'll adjust the camera and see what can be seen. Okay, that's the penjing. See, 2 tall stones. There's another tree. Those trees are primnus. Okay, that one is very heavy actually. So the nearby projects are also planting on stones. So that's it. A day in the life of Bonsai Iligan. Some days I clean, some days I just work on anything which I need to work.